before, there we're going to start a new lesson called line symmetry. So we should know what does it mean line symmetry first. Line symmetry, it's line that cuts shape exactly in half. That means cuts the shape into two equal half. When the folded part sits perfectly on top. We're going to know what does it mean when the folded part sits perfectly on top. So we have two conditions. We should achieve it. The first one, divide it to the half. The second one should what? Folded part sits perfectly on top. All edges matches. For example, here we have three shapes: square, rectangle, and triangle. So, for example, I divide it to the two equal parts. Here, this and this are equal, or I can divide it like that, or I can divide it like that, or I can divide it like that. That means square has 4 lines symmetry. But now let's look at rectangle. Rectangle, I can divide it to this, or I can divide it like that. For example, here we have this paper. It has two sides, yellow and white. If I divide, for example, this rectangle, this is a rectangle. I divide it like that. So when I fold it, you should not see the yellow part. This part, for example, I fold it like that. Here, the line of symmetry. Here, like this. So I'm going to fold it like that. Now, can you look any yellow part? Try to rotate it. Try to look at all of the sides. So you can see what the yellow part. So it could be like that, or it could be like this. So, but if I did it like this, let's see. This is it. The symmetry line will be like that. So let's fold it. You should not see any yellow parts. Look, this here we have yellow part, and rotate it, and here you can see yellow part. So this cannot be what? Symmetry line, because when you fold it, all edges not what? Matching. All edges not matching. Yes, it divides to the two half, but all of the edges not matching. So this is not what? Symmetry line. This is the symmetry line, and this is the symmetry line. The last one, triangle, you can do it like this, and when you fold it like that, it will be all edges match. That's all about what? Line of symmetry. Later on, I'm going, the second part of the video, there is another video, you're going to watch it. It will continue, so try to watch it to know more about line symmetry. At the end, I want you to go to the homework. I want you to go to the workbook, and try look at this page. Try to find a symmetry line for the alphabets, all of it. So, page 79, the workbook. Look at it. This is it. Try to find a symmetry line for all of that. And thank you.
Hello there. Today we're going to talk about symmetrical shapes. We'll start with this shape, one of my favorites, the circle. If we fold it in half, what do you notice? This half and this half are the same. That's because circles are symmetrical. Let's think of some other symmetrical shapes like squares, triangles, and even this star. We fold these shapes across a line and we call this a line of symmetry. For example, in this rectangle, we have how many lines of symmetry? Let's take a look. 1 fold, 2 folds, and nope, that doesn't look symmetrical. So this rectangle only has 2 lines of symmetry. How about this square? How many lines of symmetry can you find? Remember, you can fold on the diagonal. That's right, 4 lines of symmetry, as you can see here. How about this trapezoid? How many lines of symmetry does it have? Yes, just 1. And how about this rhombus? Very good. Let's try one more. How about this circle? There are an infinite number of lines of symmetry in a circle. Pretty cool, huh? I think you've got the hang of it. Great job!